Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Ledger security key. First, understand that a Ledger device is a hardware wallet designed to keep your crypto assets safe from online threats. It stores your private keys offline, making them inaccessible to hackers. You'll connect it to your computer or smartphone to manage your assets securely and confirm transactions. This guide will walk you through the essential steps. To begin, power on your new Ledger device and follow the on-screen instructions to initialize it. You will then create a unique PIN code, which should be between 4 and 8 digits long. Most importantly, write down your 24-word recovery phrase on the provided sheet. Keep this phrase extremely safe and never share it with anyone. Next, download and install the Ledger Live application on your computer or phone. Use Ledger Live to install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need onto your device. When sending or receiving crypto, always verify the address shown on your Ledger screen matches the one in Ledger Live. You must confirm every transaction physically on your device. For advanced security, always keep your 24-word recovery phrase stored offline in a secure location, like a safe. Never digitize it or share it. Regularly update your Ledger device's firmware through Ledger Live to ensure you have the latest security enhancements. This protects against potential vulnerabilities. Also, remember to stay hydrated throughout your day. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.